Isaac, what do you have on?
Daddy shirt and daddy pants.
Daddy shirt and daddy pants? So who do you look like?
Daddy. Hi. Two.
Two. Number two. Who's that in the corner? Over there. Is that Mickey Ghost?
Mickey Ghost.
No more daddy pants?
We're done.
Wait, but you look so cute.
No daddy pants.
So you want to go playing?
Yeah.
Say, I want to play.
I'm free. No daddy pants. No more daddy pants.
You sure?
No.
Okay, so go to mommy's room. I take them off.